How to rank number one on YouTube videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can rank number one on YouTube videos. So let's get into it. Now, we are going to be focusing on YouTube SEO optimization, which is super essential if you want to rank your videos high on YouTube. Now, there are 7 basic things that you need to optimize to make sure that your video gets ranked high on YouTube. And then later on, we will discuss the actual ways that you should select topics, the content formats that you should choose, and many more things. So let's get into it. Now, the first few things you need to keep in mind when you are looking to optimize your content for YouTube is the file name. So when you have a video and you have saved it in your computer, your PC, whatever you have saved it in, and you go onto YouTube, so you go onto YouTube Studio and you begin uploading it. Once you upload your video, there is going to be the file that you are going to upload. Now, make sure that the file that you are uploading is not saved by a random number like this, but it is actually saved by the title that you are going to title it. So make sure you are titling your files. That is one of the most essential steps, which a lot of people forget, and a lot of people, don't realize this, but you can see this draft over here. If I open this up, and if you take a look at the video link and all that, so you need to make sure that the video is also saved by the same title as it is going to be uploaded. The second thing you need to keep in mind is the title of the video. So the title of the video needs to focus on the content of the video as well as be SEO optimized. Now, for a SEO optimized title, you need to make sure that you are doing your keyword research. So make sure you are well aware of the trends and the relative keyword search volume that the word that you are targeting your topic on is going to get. So for example, I want to make a video on makeup. For that, you can go on to trends.google.com. Google Trends is a great platform to get relative measurements of topics or terms. And what you're going to do is you're just going to search for the item that you want to make a video on. So if I search for makeup over here, and now you can see the overall search volume trend of this. It is not going to show you the actual benchmark scores, but it's going to show you relative scores. Now, what you can do is when you're titling your videos, you can take multiple keywords that you have found and compare them. So makeup, or I could do skincare. So let's say my video fits in both of these items. Now this will actually help me get a relative idea of what term is more popular. You can see over here that skincare is less popular. Maybe my video also fits in the sphere of self-care. So I can add the search term, and then you're going to change this from web search to YouTube search. YouTube search is also the option on Google Trends. So make sure you have turned on YouTube search, and then you can even choose how long you want to get the estimates for. So let's say I want to only see the search trend for the past 90 days. And now you can see this is the search trend. Makeup is ranking a lot higher than skincare or self-care. So makeup would be the better keyword term to add to my title. Now there are multiple other SEO optimizing keyword research tools that I will be talking about later. But moving on to our next step, which is adding tags and descriptions. Now, you must add tags to your YouTube video. Everyone knows this by now, but make sure that your description is a concise 4-lined description of what is going to be explained in the video or what is the content of the video. And it should also include the keywords that you are targeting. And I will focus on the keyword section later on in this video, so don't worry about that. But then the last few steps are to find the thumbnail. So you're going to make sure that the thumbnail is something that is going to entice the viewers. And a good example would be before and after. So if I search for weight loss before and after. So if I just search for weight loss on YouTube over here, the most enticing results usually are the ones that have images that show the progression of a video. And you can see a lot of these videos have a lot of views. So this video has 3 million views, this video has 5 million views, this video has 4 million views. So that is another great thing that you can do. If you are able to show progression of the topic in your thumbnail, that is going to be a good option for you. The next thing is to add closed captions or CC. If you are able to do so, do try to add captions in multiple different languages so your viewership can increase from multiple different countries. And then the last point is to make sure you have cards and end screens. Make sure that the end of your video is not just some random clip of you talking. Instead, you should have well prepared the end screen, and it should be somewhat like a logo of your YouTube channel, as well as suggested videos that you would recommend that people watch after that video. That is going to be, the cherry on top on your video when you're able to finish your video like that. Now, in terms of keyword research, that is one of the most essential things. And how do you go on ahead and choose your content? How do you make sure you're making videos on the right topic, and what kind of titles or keyword optimization tricks that you need to use? Well, a good way to decide what topic you want to make videos on is just keep a few topics in mind, whatever you are passionate about, and go ahead and search them on Google Trends. So I'm just going to go ahead, search for makeup. I'm going to search worldwide, and then I'm going to compare this with maybe skincare or... So now you can see over here, I have searched for 3 different topics. The first is makeup and fashion, and then I have home. And you can see actually home is a more searched item on web search, but if I go on to YouTube search over here, home is still getting more search views. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose a couple of topics that you're wanting to create content on, put them in Google Trends, get the one with the most searches relatively. So home has more searches relatively. Now, a great way to begin your research is to go onto YouTube and search for the topic that you just chose. So if you search for home and then type a space, you have home workout without equipment, home remedies, home decorating ideas, home tour, home design, and you can just search for home over here to get the top results. Now, the top results are going to help you in understanding what is the content YouTube is looking for. So once I search for home, so maybe I want to go with a home decorating ideas. Now, you're going to take a look at the top search results. So you're going to analyze your competitors. And what you're going to do from over here is you're going to see what content format is most popular. So you can see 25 greatest home decor ideas, easy home decorating ideas, top 10 ideas, 9 decorating mistakes, 10 tips for timeless home decorating, 10 small apartment decorating tips. So a lot of the times in this section or content type, I'm seeing that listicles are a popular way to get your content on the top page. So what you can do is you can go into your Ahrefs free SEO tools, and you can click on keyword difficulty checker and analyze the difficulty of the keyword that you have just chosen. So home decorating ideas. Now you can see it is a super hard keyword to rank for, but still that means it is super popular as well. And what you can do is add other keywords to your description and target multiple different keywords with this singular video. And you can also use the keywordseverywhere.com tool. It is a Chrome extension that you can use and add to your Chrome bar to get detailed analytics and related keywords from the target keyword and add them to your video as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.